Somebody recently asked, do I ever just play songs instead of this breathing stuff? And oh, definitely. Two songs that I would get stuck on. And I think that's a trauma response where we get kind of stuck in a loop. I mean, I would just play these loops over and over and over again. I think either PTSD or CPTSD response is like listening to the same song over and over again, watching the same movies over and over again. But I broke through that. Just want to put that out there if you're new to my channel. That's the message here. And you can too. I'm only saying that because I thought that I was stuck, and I wasn't. So at any rate, this one is Lay Lady Lay, and then I'll tie it into a Jack Johnson song. Stick around to the end. I'll give you a quick taste of one of my own originals, and I can show you where my original music is in case you're interested. So A major bar chord. Lay, lady, lay. Lay across my big brass bed. Another one then, of course, is Traffic in the Sky, and it's the same chord pattern, only up on the 10th fret. And, you know, it's a slightly different picking pattern. I used to loop Jack Johnson songs over and over and over and over again, so. There's traffic in the sky, and it doesn't seem to be getting much better. Kids playing games on the pavement, drawing waves on the pavement. It's enough to make me cry. Enough to make you cry too. Lastly, then, I wrote a song called My Side of the Street, and it's the same thing. And this is one of our favorite songs to play as a band, but it's the same chord progression, but. Memories of you and me and how happy we used to be. Now I see that we agree that we both want to be free. Caught up in
we agree that we both want to be free. Caught up in circumstance, we had to take a chance to speed while I flee, swim in the sea of destiny. Now, could you understand? This isn't what I planned, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna lose hope. And can you comprehend the messages that I send? Hanging from the end of my rope.
Link in the description if you want to check that stuff out too. But yeah, I do play songs. You can play your favorite riffs. Pair that up with your breathing, and you loop those riffs, and you get better, and you're, you know, working on wellness in the process. All right, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next one.